Want to learn English vocabulary faster? And boost your speaking skills quickly?
We can speak English.
Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Speak English.
Now, we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer practice. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now, are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started.
Part 1, English Listening Practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Be sitting on the fence.
Are you going to study abroad next year, Lisa?
I'm not sure yet. Everything is still up in the air.
Didn't you apply to a school in Canada?
Yes, but I'm also thinking about staying here. I like my job now.
So you're sitting on the fence?
Exactly. I don't know which choice is better.
Studying abroad sounds exciting, but it's also a big change.
That's what makes it hard. I want to grow, but I'm also scared to leave.
I understand. Take your time, but don't wait too long.
Yeah, I need to decide before the end of this month.
Good luck. I hope you choose what's best for you. Part 2, Learn Vocabulary. Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary.
Up in the air, not decided yet. Example: our weekend plans are up in the air. We don't know what to do.
Have you seen Up in the Air?
Yeah. Everything's a little bit up in the air, but with the...
It's still up in the air.
No, it's still up in the air.
That's still very much up in the air.
That's up in the air.
Sitting on the fence. Not choosing a side, not making a decision. Example: I'm sitting on the fence about the trip. I don't know if I want to go.
And if you're still on the fence...
Barbara's sitting on that fence.
But I'm still on the fence.
I'm on the fence here.
I'm still on the fence on that one.
So he's still on the fence?
Well, she's certainly not sitting on the fence. She's painting it.
We've been sitting on the fence for far too long.
Take your time. Don't rush, do something slowly and carefully. Example: it's okay, take your time and finish your homework later.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time.
Take your time. Take your time!
And you take your time.
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 I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English.
So watch this video many times. Try to answer the questions out loud and you will improve your speaking skills quickly.
Part 3. Listen and answer practice. Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the questions out loud. Are you going to study abroad next year, Lisa? Did Tom ask Lisa about studying locally? No, he didn't ask her about studying locally. Did Tom ask Lisa about studying abroad? Yes, he did. He asked if she is going to study abroad.
I'm not sure yet. Everything is still up in the air.
Is Lisa sure about studying abroad? No, she isn't. Everything is still up in the air. What does up in the air mean? It means Lisa hasn't decided yet. She is not sure. Didn't you apply to a school in Canada?
Yes, but I'm also thinking about staying here. I like my job now.
Did Lisa apply to a school in Canada? Yes, she did. She applied to a school in Canada. Is Lisa thinking about staying in her country? Yes, she is. She is thinking about staying. Why is Lisa thinking about staying? Because she likes her job now. So you're sitting on the fence? Did Tom say Lisa is sitting on the fence? Yes, he did. He said she is sitting on the fence. What does sitting on the fence mean? It means she can't decide.
Exactly. I don't know which choice is better.
Does Lisa know which choice is better? No, she doesn't. She doesn't know which is better. Studying abroad sounds exciting, but it's also a big change. Did Tom say studying abroad is boring? No, he didn't say studying abroad is boring. What did Tom say about studying abroad? He said it sounds exciting. Is studying abroad a small change? No, it isn't. Studying abroad isn't a small change. Is studying abroad a big change? Yes, it is. It's a big change.
That's what makes it hard. I want to grow, but I'm also scared to leave.
Why is it hard for Lisa to decide? Because she wants to grow, but she is scared to leave. Is Lisa scared to leave? Yes, she is. She is scared to leave. I understand. Take your time, but don't wait too long. Did Tom tell her to take her time? Yes, he did. He said to take her time.
Yeah, I need to decide before the end of this month.
When does Lisa need to decide? Before the end of this month. She must choose before then. Part 4. Shadowing practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Are you going to study abroad next year, Lisa? Didn't you apply to a school in Canada? So you're sitting on the fence? Studying abroad sounds exciting, but it's also a big change. I understand. Take your time, but don't wait too long. Good luck. I hope you choose what's best for you.
I'm not sure yet. Everything is still up in the air. Yes, but I'm also thinking about staying here. I like my job now. Exactly. I don't know which choice is better. That's what makes it hard. I want to grow, but I'm also scared to leave. Yeah, I need to decide before the end of this month.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week and repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!
Thanks for watching, guys! Now, I recommend you watch